Welcome back to Tenorshare. I recently switched from Android to iPhone and wanted to bring my WhatsApp data along. If you've backed up your WhatsApp data to Google Drive and are wondering, can I directly restore my WhatsApp data from Google Drive to my iPhone? You're in the right place. I'm here to guide you through the transfer process, whether you have your Android phone handy or not. Let's dive in. Method 1. Restore WhatsApp from Android to iPhone for free. If you have your old Android phone and a new iPhone, and you don't mind resetting your iPhone, I strongly recommend using the Move to iOS app on your Android to transfer all WhatsApp data for free. Check the link below for detailed steps. However, if you prefer not to reset your iPhone and want to restore the WhatsApp backup from Google Drive without losing any data, proceed to the next method. Method 2. Restore WhatsApp backup from Google Drive to iPhone. If you did not back up, you need to go to WhatsApp settings and backup first. Remember to turn off the end-to-end encrypted backup and disable two-step verification before backing up on Google Drive. Then we can start the restore process with iPhone. According to WhatsApp and Google Drive officials, Google Drive does not support directly restoring the WhatsApp backup from Google Drive on an iPhone. This is very annoying, so we need to get iCareFone to help. This is a professional WhatsApp transfer software. It can transfer your WhatsApp from Android to iPhone or iPhone to Android. You can get your WhatsApp backup from Google Drive directly through iCareFone and transfer it to the phone you want. I already put the link in the description, go check it. Once you have installed iCareFone Transfer on your computer, connect your iPhone to it. Go ahead and select WhatsApp. If you have an Android phone, you can transfer your WhatsApp data here. If not, then click on Backup and choose from Google Drive to get your data back. Sign in with the Google account containing your WhatsApp backup. No worries, it's safe to do. It can retrieve your Android WhatsApp backup that cannot show on your iPhone's Google Drive. You can now select the most recent backup and click Continue to download the backup to your computer. After downloading, you need to verify the WhatsApp number of your backup. It will tell you to disable the two-step verification, which we disabled before, so move on. Once verified, now the backup will be available to be restored. Then you can click Restore Backup Now. Keep your iPhone connected to your computer. Click Restore Now. Restoring the Google backup will overwrite the WhatsApp data on your iPhone. You can back up your data here if you want. Then choose the type of files you want to transfer, along with your WhatsApp messages. You need to log in to WhatsApp on your iPhone. Remember to skip restoring from iCloud backup here. Then, just click Logged In on your computer and wait for the restoration process to complete. Do not use your iPhone during this time. Once the restoration is complete, your iPhone will restart, and you'll have all your WhatsApp messages from Google Drive on your iPhone. This may take some time depending on your storage. Currently, since there is no other free way to restore your Google backup to iPhone, iCareFone is the most cost-effective way to do this. You can retrieve all data you backed up without losing your iPhone's data. It also has an app on your phone that you can use, so give it a try if you really need it. That's it for today's video. And I will leave some tips in the comment to share with you guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.